आज रॉयल अल्बर्ट पैलेस में वीरू पटेल द्वारा 4th वर्ल्ड काउंसिल का आयोजन किया गया। इस अवसर पर वुडब्रिज के मेयर भी उपस्थित रहकर कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में अपना सहयोग दिया।
Good evening, everyone. At ITV, I'm really with one of our doctor and Padma Shri, Dr. Sudhir Bhai. It's a really pleasure to be with you. You are a big community leader, advocate, and I would say philanthropist as well. And this is just what you call fundraiser night. Let me tell you that in every political election, we need some fundings. I had it about 6 years ago, but I actually, in one fundraiser, I ran 3 elections. This is my 3rd time I'm going, and we need it, but it's extraordinarily a great support from the community. We have many political leaders, businessmen, and also organizations different leaders, they are here to support me. I love it. It's called Community Inspiration, Community Love. It's a community temple. And not only me, I'm not in that bad situation as far as the politics concerned. I don't have actually any opponent, but still I have to do my other political stuff, like sending the mailers, calling, set up the, calling banks, go to door, we do that. But I would like to also ask all our community people to say and stand for other community candidates. We have actually in Edison, Sam Joseph is there. There are other areas. We have a lot of other our Indian and South Asian candidates there. I would like to ask everyone to support them, and I would like to wish them a lot of luck. Not only that, this time mailing ballots due date is coming very soon in 2 weeks. If you have the mailing ballot, just do it so. Not only that, this is the first time our election laws have changed, meaning we can do in-person voting 9 days before the actual voting. In person. So November 2nd is our voting date in person, but we can start going in person voting on October 23rd. So check with your own township for the polling booths and you can just do it. So I would like to wish everyone thank you, good night, and wishing you all happy Diwali and happy New Year. May God bless you. May God bless America. Thank you.
Dear friends, on behalf of Indian American community, as well as Parikful World Media and myself personally, I would like to wish Viru Patel a great success in council election as well as in the future for more than council. And we hope or we wish that Viru Patel becomes a mayor of the Woodbridge one day. We all are with you, Viru Bhai, and you are really a great leader. You are a great activist, as well as you are really always helpful to the others. And really we appreciate your quality, and always you are eager to help other people. And really we thank you for that. And community is behind you, and we all stand behind you and to support you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Again, wish you all the best, and thank you.
I just want to say thank you for watching here. We had a rally for Viru Patel, who's running for council as the 4th Ward in Woodbridge. He's the incumbent. He's so strong and he's so good that the opposing party couldn't even find somebody to run against him. But he deserves to be reelected. He's responsible for renaming Middlesex Avenue and Oak Tree Road as India Square. He's responsible for so many big businesses, international businesses coming to Oak Tree Road and Green Street. He's responsible for helping put together full-day kindergarten and opening up a brand new grammar school in Island. He's responsible for 3 cricket fields in our township, and he has just been such a great leader for the Asian Indian community. And I'm so proud to be here as his friend and his colleague in public service. He deserves to be re-elected. Veerbhadra Virubai Viru Patel. Thank you.
Upendra Chivukula, former New Jersey Assemblyman, at the Royal Albert Palace fundraiser that being done by Mayor McCormick for Viru Patel, Councilman Viru Patel, 4th Ward Councilman. We have Kapil Shah, Councilman from Piscataway, is here, and Viru Patel is such a community activist and has done so much good work, and he has been representing our community in the Island section of Woodbridge Township. And so I'm sure we have to remember November 2nd is a very important date for our Governor Murphy and all the way down with the freehold commissioners and state legislators and council members and Mayor McCormick. So please come out and support Viru Patel and the entire team on column A. Thank you.
Yeah, about election, make sure you vote for Virubhai and he comes with the highest majority vote and you spread the message about his goodness.
Good evening, everybody. My name is G.K. Patel. Today we are get together here at Albert Palace for Viru Patel. Viru Patel is running as a councilman of Woodbridge Township. Virubhai is already councilman, and I think we all supporting Virubhai. And God bless America, God bless, and Virubhai is going to win. Thank you.
I am Ratilal Patel, President of Pisana, and we supporting Virubhai Patel all the way, all Democratic Party. I vote for them and I ask my friends to vote for them also. Thank you.
Vote for Viru. I request you, all seniors and my friend and family. Thank you.